fat bike.
Skinny legs. Okay, so today we are at the Strawberry Trailhead. Let's take a look around. I'm the only car here. This is a much smaller trailhead than the Pine area because this isn't really in town here. And we are going to be tackling the Pine Strawberry Trail number 15. And so you don't need to do a 4-hour park a car here, park a car here expedition to enjoy what Pine has to offer. Over here on this side of town, you could start here at the Strawberry Trailhead, park a car down here, or vice versa. And we're gonna show you that you don't need to do an all-day expedition to enjoy how awesome this area is.
There's a lot of these punchy down and up turning sections with lots of rocks. They're a blast, but they're also pretty challenging. Here's another punchy, turny down and up section that I gotta admit, I didn't clean it my first few times on this trail. In these and most blind corners, I usually yell out something to announce my presence.
Okay, we are halfway through the Pine Strawberry Trail and we're having so much fun. We're actually going to divert, and I want to show how much fun the short version can be. So instead of continuing on to hardscrabble and ending down at the bottom, we are going to take the Mohawk Trail exit.
Mohawk exit is only half mile and not found on most trail guide apps, but it sure is a fun little route.
As I said earlier, you can enjoy just how amazing this area is without doing a 4-hour expedition like Pine Canyon last week. And I only did half of this trail too. Lots of shade most of the day makes this a very enjoyable ride, far less dangerous than Pine Canyon also. But it's just as beautiful in its own way. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more weekly mountain bike videos showcasing some of the most iconic terrain in the Southwest, as well as a lot of trails that nobody's ever heard of.